Hey everyone, this is the Trader Investor, continuing on the SPY trading and what we are seeing today and yesterday. The last couple of days, price has been pushing up very slowly, extremely slowly, but it's been pushing up anyway. And so how do we place trades? How do we set this up? Well, again, like yesterday, I'm not into a trade today, and because I'm always not in a hurry to enter trades, I want to pick the best setups for me. If I don't see a best setup, I do not force a trade. And so today, the reason why I want to talk about the setup that we see, and if we look at the 1 hour chart, price has been making higher highs, has been really driving higher highs, but the oscillator that I have is showing me a divergence. Oscillator going this way, price going this way. So this tells me it's time to be cautious. It's time to be cautious. Why do I say that? Well, if you look at history, price did this, but oscillator did this. Right? This is very important to take a note. Extremely important to take a note. Price drove up, oscillator drove down, and then price soon after drove down. Now we don't know the extent of the pullback because long term we are in an uptrend, so we're not fighting the trend. We're not trying to pick tops and go short. That is not what I recommend at all. What I am recommending is when you see divergence at an area of high values, then you're cautious with your entries, and maybe you're tightening your stops if you're in a position. Maybe you're taking profits along the way. As you can see in this instance here, as price was driving up to this point and oscillator was driving down, then price immediately dipped and then reversed. But even as price reversed and continued to make new highs, oscillator continued to go lower. So this was a sign for me. When I see something like this, it tells me in this area, or maybe even in this area, I'm very cautious with my positions. And then I look for a demand zone in an uptrend or supply zone in a downtrend for my entry. So this demand zone here was met, short-lived, and then down here it blew through a couple of demand zones, and then there was an order block that turned into a demand zone, and right here 2 opportunities to enter, and from there we are repaying higher. So this is why I say let's wait for price to give us a good entry, and then when we see divergence, I will clear this drawings. When we see divergence, then we are cautiously moving. So we're seeing a big divergence. So what I'm hoping for now is for price to come down here for a very good entry. For a very good entry. And what does that mean in terms of Fibonacci retracement? I showed you this yesterday. This is somewhere in the 50% retracement from where we are today. Beautiful setup. And so when we see that setup is when we enter. So for now, I'm cautious. I'm not entering. Even if price continues to drive up and continues to make higher lows and higher highs, for me, this is just not a clean entry area. Price can, like down here, you can see down here, you would say, oh, you missed all this move. I'm okay missing all this move because when I enter, I get this move. When I enter, I get this move. Right? So it's okay to miss this move because it does not fit my trading style. Right? It's all about, does it fit my trading style? Does it fit my criteria? Does it give me the best entries possible? That's what you want to look for. So today, because I'm seeing this divergence, it is time to wait for price to come down to some area of value, which could be this imbalance, or it could be this 1 hour demand zone. This is what I'm waiting for. and as soon as I get that, it's an entry to the long side. And the entry to the long side, I played in two ways. I can buy a call position, or I can sell a cash covered put position. Either way, it's the same, it's all bullish. I just keep capturing premium when I sell the cash covered puts. So that's what I like it. So this is how the markets are. No trades. That's why it's a short video, just to let you know when it's a divergence. Just be cautious. All right, everyone, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.